In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hire an employee in Gusto. Start by signing in to your Gusto account and looking at the left sidebar. Click People, then select Hire and Onboarding. This is the area where you manage new hires and guide them through the setup process. Next, click Hire or Add Person. This opens the form where you will enter the new employee's basic details. Begin by typing their first name, middle initial, and last name. Take a moment to double-check spelling, because this information can carry over into payroll and employee documents. If the employee uses a preferred first name, you can add that as well. This helps keep profiles accurate and makes communication more personal, while still keeping the legal name on record. Once the name fields are complete, you will choose a work type. Select Employee, then click Next to continue. Choosing the correct work type is important because it affects how Gusto handles onboarding, tax forms, and payroll settings. Now you will be asked for an email address. Enter the employee's personal email. A personal email is typically best for onboarding, especially if the employee has not been issued a company email yet. It also helps ensure they can access invitations and onboarding tasks without delays. Carefully confirm the email is correct before moving on, since a typo can prevent the employee from receiving important setup messages. After that, go to Hiring, then click Compensation. This is where you will set the role and pay information that supports payroll accuracy. In the Compensation section, select the job title, then choose the labor market and industry. These fields help categorize the role properly and can also provide useful context when reviewing compensation benchmarks. As you make these selections, Gusto will show compensation information, including annual and hourly figures. Use this view to confirm that the pay structure aligns with how you plan to compensate the employee, whether that is a yearly salary amount or an hourly rate. Take your time here because compensation settings are a key part of a smooth first payroll that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.